Hello everyone, this week we're looking at space and today I'm going to show you how we can become an astronaut. So what you need for this is tin foil, and I'm using a big plastic bowl, but you could also use a cycling hat or another hat. So what we're going to do is make our astronaut helmet. We're going to use the foil and wrap it around the ball. Okay, a little bit more. There we go. There is my astronaut helmet. I've also made some moon boots where I've just taken a welly boot. You could use any boots that you've got, wrapped it in foil, and I'm going to go and explore the moon with my helmet and my boots. Hope you enjoy this. Have a lovely time exploring space.